In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook event post step by step. Creating an event helps you invite people and share important details about your upcoming activity. First, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap the menu icon, then select Events. Next, tap the Create or Plus button and choose Create Event. Select whether you want the event to be online or in person. Enter your event name, date, time, and location if it's an in-person event. You can also add a description, upload a cover photo, and choose your event's privacy settings. Once you've filled in all the details, review the information to make sure everything is correct. Then tap Create Event. After your event is created, tap Share or Create Post to publish it on your timeline, Facebook page, or in a group so more people can see it. You can also invite your friends by tapping Invite Friends and selecting the people you want to notify. As your event gets closer, post updates and reminders to keep attendees informed. That's how you can quickly create and share a Facebook event. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.